Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pressure cooker meal with the Cosori Pressure Cooker. They actually sent it to me to try, and so this is the first meal I have done with any pressure cooker, so I'm super excited. I love how it has all the presets and everything already on there. And these are all the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe, and we're doing hamburger stroganoff. So you'll need some ground beef, cream of mushroom, beef broth, the egg noodles, flour, minced garlic, salt and pepper, and then sour cream. Alright, the first step in this recipe is to go ahead and cook your egg noodles on the stove. So that's what I'm doing here. And the recipe says to do about 3 cups of egg noodles, so I kind of just eyeballed it. And I always put a wooden spoon on top of anything that I'm boiling because it keeps it from boiling over. I don't know if you know that trick, but I learned that a while back. I am known for letting the water boil over. And we always have some sort of snack while we are cooking, so that's what I'm doing here. This is the palmetto cheese, and it's so good. I get it from Publix, and then the bagel chips to go with it. Alright, and now I am setting the pressure cooker actually to saute so that I can brown the meat inside while the noodles are cooking on the stove. And here I'm just adding minced garlic to the meat while I'm browning it. Alright, and then when the noodles are done, you're just going to drain them and set them aside. Alright, and then after your meat is brown, you're going to stir in the flour, and then you're going to add in the beef broth, the cream of mushroom soup, and salt and pepper. And then you're going to add your egg noodles and mix it all together. Alright, and now I'm putting the lid on and making sure that it is locked. And then you set the pressure to high for 8 minutes and let it get started. And while the meal is cooking, I like to go ahead and start cleaning up whatever things around the kitchen that I can, so it saves me a little time when we are done eating. And then after it's done cooking, you're going to let the pressure naturally release for about 5 minutes, and then you're going to change to a quick release until all the pressure is out. And then the last thing you're going to do is add in the sour cream, and then I kind of stirred it all in and let it sit for just a little while to thicken up a little bit more, and it was perfect. So for my first pressure cooker meal, this was actually very simple and easy, and my kids absolutely loved it. So this was a great meal for us to have on a weeknight, and I would definitely recommend it. I'm going to be leaving a link down below for the Cosori Pressure Cooker, and also I'll leave this recipe down below as well. And if you check out my Pinterest boards, I have a pressure cooker Pinterest board where I've pinned a bunch of different pressure cooker recipes that we definitely want to try. And we will be trying to use this weekly and incorporate more pressure cooker meals into our weekly routine. All right, and then after we had dinner, we all started cleaning up. The kids always pick up their own dishes and everything, and then I pretty much took over the cleaning of the kitchen tonight and let everybody else go relax. hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.